My name's Soham and I am going to be guiding you through how we can animate videos like Dan Koe and behavior hack for explosive growth of social media profiles. I have designed this course in such a way that complete beginners who have no prior understanding of animation or motion graphic software can easily start their animation journey just by focusing and building the fundamentals one day at a time. And I also believe that learning should be fun. That's why this course will have its aha moment with you when you start and see your own progress animating these videos. Without any further ado, here's what you will be learning in the course in the next few days. We'll start with the complete basics of understanding what is animation and the 12 principles of animation. Then, we will get ourselves familiar with the software which we will be using for the entirety of our course, which is Adobe After Effects. We'll be covering just the basics like the user interface of the software, what are compositions and how to create them in the software, some plugins that are absolutely essential for my style of animating these videos, and some tools. Then, we'll be looking at a very overlooked aspect of video editing in general, folder management and file organization. If you already have a set pattern for creating these folders and organizing your files, that is amazing. But for those who do not know or are learning may utilize my style for better overall animating experience. When we are done with understanding file management and organization, we'll move on to the main source of our course, the actual animation. But wait, there is more. You will be learning something new which unlocks new ways for you to hunt for ideas and create inspiration for your animations that we will be creating together in coming days, and I have named it the Animators Framework. I'll tell you more about it when the chapter comes up. No spoilers beforehand for you guys. We will then be jumping straight into animation with a breakdown analysis of how the audio will translate into video with the help of the Animators Framework. Once we are done with the audio's analysis, we'll hop into After Effects and start understanding how each tool and plugin comes into play. There are a lot of major things and there are a lot of minor or macro things to learn. But I guarantee that you will see animation with a whole new perspective once you have completed the course. I wish you the best of luck and happy animating.